Continue.
Then for the 3 other partners, all SDL will be 2 APAC. And take the total. Then for the accounting entry, I copy also from the April. Sorry. August. This is payroll for September. And then this is the description. Change. Okay. This is the salary for September. The expense claims that will be paid together with the salary for September is the expense claim for the previous month. So the salary here for August will become September, and then the expense claim for July will become August. So I'll change August first. Yes. And then July, replace with August. Yes.
Understand that?
Yes.
Okay. So the salaries, partner salary debited to 4402, which is APAC, is this amount. Okay. 180. Debit salaries partner to 0202, which is LS, is this amount. Debit to CPF employer is this amount. But since this will be fully recovered from the employee, we also credit the same amount and credit to the same account.
Sheila, when you say that the employer portion is also recovered from the
Employee, yes.
So normally employer CPF is paid by the employer, is an
Correct.
expense of the company, right? But in this case, it's actually like considered as part of the total salary package, is it?
Yes, correct. That is only applicable to the partners because of their high salary. But for all the other employees, the employer share is paid by the employer. It is the cost of the company. So this package is only for the partners. Is there any question?
The number is too small. We cannot
Yeah,
see.
it's a bit small.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, too small.
Okay. Here are the partners. This is their salary.
Yeah, much better. Okay.
So employer share, employer CPF is deducted also from their salary. They shoulder the employer CPF. But for all the other employees, the employer CPF is the cost of the company.
Okay. Got that?
Okay. But I still show it so that we would be able to trace the total, or be able to reconcile the total employer CPF against the CPF report. Then SDL, debit to this account for 4101. To APAC. And then to LS. And then for the salaries of the professionals or consultants, okay, you see the difference for the partner salaries, it's debited to 430001. For the rest of the employees, it's debited to 430000. The cost center for the professionals and the consultants is SG00103. For the support team, it's 104. For the interns, it's 4405. Okay. Okay, then, okay, the salaries of the professionals. You go to, can you see the figures? No. Total professionals. Can you see the amount? You can see here the total basic salary of the professionals. So this amount here, this cell will be linked to this. Then debit this employer CPF. Professionals employer here, 19236. Then SDL here. Round it. Okay. So take note that there are other payments made on top of the basic salary. There's back pay of basic for July and August. So usually, if there is any payment on top of the basic salary, I book it separately. For each employee. Please, Yan, I'll go back. Then the salaries of the support team. This is a total. Nothing else is added. Then employer CPF. Then SDL. Okay. Then the salaries of the interns. Please. Employer CPF and SDL. Now for the CPF payable, you refer to the CPF advice. Here, CPF payment advice, which I will also send to you. CPF advice. Amount is 66,674.50. Wait, I will close the August. 66,674.50. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. This is linked to this amount here. There's a summary here. This is the amount. Okay, linked to that amount there, but you still need to verify against the CPF advice because there are instances when there are changes to the payroll report. Okay. Then the bank charge. You refer to the bank statement. Okay, this is the payment of the salary. This is the bank charge. Then the amount paid 659.90.74. 659. Okay. Then together with the payment of the salary is the payment of the expense claims of the prior month, the previous month. So the total amount is, okay, for the total amount, you refer to the summary, payment summary, this one. Total claims. Okay, this is the payment summary. You have here the net salary of the employees. That's the gross minus the deductions, plus the claims. This is the total amount paid, which should tally to the amount in the bank statement. So this is the total claims paid, 19064.84. 19064.84. Okay, the employees are set up as vendors in SAP. So if you post to the employee code, employee/vendor code, it will be posted to this account, payables to employees, 170,800. This is the main account, and under it are the employee vendor codes. There's a difference of one. This could be SDL because of the rounding off. So you check, SDL is 538. Here our SDL is 45 plus 383 plus 109 and plus 2. We have 539, but in the advice is only 538. So just round down the highest SDL one. Actually, or okay, now that it's balanced, you can now post this in SAP. So to post in SAP, I use F-02. Then for the document and posting date, you use the date when the salary was paid. It's 14 September. Type SA, company code SG10, currency SGD, reference payroll September. Okay. Then post key. Let's identify the post key. For all debits to a GL account, it's 40. So it's all 40. 40. All credits to the GL account, 50. Okay, this is a payment to a vendor account, against a vendor account. So if it is debit to a vendor account, you can choose the post key here. It's payment posting, should be 25. 25. You see post key 25. It's a vendor account and a debit outgoing payment. So select this. Select 25. So let's start with the first line. 40. Then just copy. Count. 180,081. Cross center. Next. Then the next line item. You just have to post everything. Shall I continue with this one, or you want to post from there? Or someone wants to post from there?
We would like to post from here.
Okay. I will close now.
Yeah, sure.
And I will send this also.
Em vào bác ơi. Add and recording.
Sheila,
Yes, Mr. Syed.
you use F-02.
Yes, correct.
I sort of remember you can also post it based on a previous posting, right? There's an option to do that.
Yes, we can. Okay, I can show it to them also.
Then no, you just don't have to enter it one by one like that.
Yes, but I wanted them to see how it should be posted without copying from other.
Okay.
But I can show them how.
You are right. Let them do it. They need the practice also, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And then the other thing is that the spreadsheet, yeah.
Yes, I'll send it to them now.
Send it to me because I think we can use macros, to automate it, create all those entries, accounting entries. I will have to do this, okay?
Yes, okay.
I will, there's no point doing it manually like that. Rather prone and time consuming.
Okay.
Let me have the spreadsheet and I will come back to you with some macros, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
And then the other thing is actually to automate it further, yeah? You may be able to generate the file, which can be uploaded. Excel. Okay,
Yes, can we do that and upload to SAP?
Yes, you can.
I haven't tried it.
Yeah, I have, but I haven't done it for a long time. I have to check this. Let me try to log into SAP later, yeah? Then from the Excel, you can generate the transaction file, Excel, and then you can upload it.
Okay.
Có trên đó không ta?
Sao cái file này em mở không được?
Where is this?
Cái link
Tang, I already sent it, but I forgot to copy Mr. Syed. So I will send you. I already forwarded.
So are you doing it?
Okay, I'll stop sharing now.
You stop sharing?
Okay, done.
Lên remote em bảo được.
I have logged out also from SAP.
này login ở đây. Thao tác thao qua không login này. Đúng rồi. Nó là anh luôn để anh
Bảo sẽ có một cái phần nữa là
anh chỗ chủ rồi.
có 40 credit.
Chứ lúc này cái mạng nó chậm kinh luôn.
Như đồ sáng buổi tối không anh? Đồ sáng đâu mình có
được.
mình dọn một đó mình cho sổ được trên
Tối đa rồi đó.
xong rồi mình sẽ tin một cái tổng món một cái món mua ra bước hai mình làm được cái tự sinh lập một khi mà mình xuất ra sổ chia ra mình làm mình muốn là cái còn nếu mình xâm lại là một cộng 4 cái 40 hết và đến là 50 mình sẽ tính mình như vậy mà quan trọng là cái lần đó là tương lai mình nữa. Đúng rồi. Sự tóc đó. Đúng như cái một cái đó là cái account sẽ là account của Singapore giống mấy mà vô cost center vẫn là cái SG không chỉ có tới 2019 thôi cost center cái kia đau thương với đúng rồi F trừ 3, F trừ 02, FPM 5N, FM FPM 3, FPM 3, FPM
This SAP is B1.
No, it's not B1. This is B.
R3.
R3, the old R3, yeah, but it's what is it called? ECC.
ECC.
Or R3. Before ECC it was called R3. Right. R3.
Okay.
That's how they write it. But ICP doesn't use this term.
Em bấm rồi mà. Đây là
Control Echo.
Have you logged in to SAP?
Yes,
we are trying.
Oh,
Do you still see my screen?
yes.
Và cuối cùng là nó hiểu rồi.
Router 01 đúng không? Phía ngoài chữ L đúng không?
Dạ.
Chữ L. Have you seen my screen?
Yes, clear.
Khách hàng
Okay.
sao?
Yeah.
Khách hàng sao dùng cầm. Okay.
F0, F0, 2. You email me the Excel payroll that you.
Yes, I already sent it. The period, the period as company code, currency.
Step 9.
Currency SVD.
SC10.
Save it to that. It's really not 10, because you put it on the set right Excel after she works on it. Not
Yes.
must put on the set.
Yes.
Report.
Lưu trực tiếp lên set folder như này.
Cách quản lý không.
And then work from there.
Yes.
So that changes and whatever. Yes. Is it the one from the Android? It's probably the Android one. From a personal. Or what is it? Because she also copied it to her desktop. Is this from the desktop?
No, this is our self-as. So this is from a shareholder. Yeah, already from shareholder.
Mình thấy các bạn vậy đã đến mấy lần đó cũng ok.
Cost center.
Cost center.
Cost center.
If there is a tick, that means it's compulsory, you must enter.
không
Cost center. Center, you don't have to copy, because it's the same one. You go back.
Not same one. Different.
Different.
SG002.
Wow.
Workspace.
Số là sao phải ở dưới vậy?
cái dòng 3 rồi.
Và
Dòng 3 cha dòng tiếp theo. Bây giờ chuẩn bị dòng 3. Đã đợi tiếp dòng 3 ra số này.
nãy em nói là dòng 1, dòng 2 đúng không? Nãy em là dòng 2 xem có bị số đẳng dòng 3.
Biển dòng 3 trong next item á. Next item thứ 3. Item 2 item đầu là next item là dòng 3. Cái dòng cuối cùng nó sẽ qua cái item mới. Đó, item 3 nó theo 44. Next là cái tích thứ 2 Stinky, biết có stinky. Để chuẩn bị cho dòng đầu tiếp theo.
I think that is
Gravy,
the text is different. Yeah, there's the text tongue.
So what is the test for this line?
Go to the last column
Recovery of. Come on, to the right.
to the right.
Then
That one, partner CPF. PR for September. And I think also the third line.
no, the third line, the one before. So you go back. Go back. you can go back to the previous on the top. Yeah.
Yes.
Green beside the mountain.
Beside mountains.
Yeah, that one. No,
beside
one.
That one, yes. Change the text also.
Change the text.
Yes,
This is that one. So we go to the spreadsheet.
backspace,
Then that one. That's
third.
Yes, better. Beside.
yeah. You can. No more. So now.
That is not show all the data of the Excel file. Is it okay? Sheila,
Yes,
the text doesn't cover all the letter of the Excel file, like GW, WO, and AL.
oh yeah, you can,
No problem?
yeah, no problem. It should be okay.
The space is limited.
You have to use switch to Windows. Control tab. It's faster than using the mouse. You need 2 clicks. You know what I mean?
Yes, yes. Rata-rata.
It's
Rata-rata.
faster. Okay.
Rata-rata.
If you do something wrong like this, sometimes there's an internet connection problem. Then 1 hour, almost finished, but you haven't posted it, and everything is lost. You need to start all over. Okay. There's a danger.
So the speed is important.
No.
Yeah. Em bay qua.
Thảo, this G practice continue. We only have one label entry.
Sorry?
We have only one payroll entry.
Yes.
And so G and now switch G also. G practice.
We only have one transaction on the table.
So after this line,
Finish. Oh, I see. The line, next line.
yeah, next line, G
Oh, okay, go ahead.
yeah, have the chance to.
Dễ đó. Like ra ra.
G, calm down.
Please calm down. Very scary, yeah?
You're nervous, but calm down.
And shaking. Everybody looking.
thì số nó đổi, kiểm tra số nó có đổi hay không?
Số nó sẽ trùng lại những cái
Đây thì chị làm tiếp đẹp, nhập cái next slide.
nhập xong cái màu hồng thì chị nhập.
Thảo finish the pink lines.
Tác 3.
Thảo will finish all the pink lines. And then, the red.
The yellow and blue achieve.
是啊。
Yeah.
Same possible.
You just backspace.
You just put
And also yes, yes.
So the same.
Yeah, that one or
the last item.
yes. Not only the last item, the last few items. You can select. Like you select backspace. You need to copy paste. Correct.
Sheila,
Yes.
on this time training, you intend to give us the payroll and what else?
Yes.
Let's just do the task first, and then we can agree on which task we should take over.
Yes.
Well, then maybe although she has trained us, we say maybe we just do this and.
Xong tới dòng hồng này.
Yeah. As you can see, this is one transaction, but it's a lot of work, you know.
Yeah. It will take like 2 hours to do this.
Yeah.
Bây giờ em tới copy tài khoản 420.000. Em tới dòng tiếp theo mà quay. Cái này đúng không? Tiếp biết 4 họ 4. Em nhé. Được không em? Em. Khác không? Em mở cái tab có. Cái này đúng không chị? Không có. Cái copy.
Cái này đúng không?
Cục cơ quý.
Vậy là tên tài khoản.
Tab mở tên. Copy.
Qua cái này coi lại.
Next item mình sẽ chọn ngay em muốn. Dòng 2
Bây giờ dòng đó đó.
Dạ, tới đây rồi là
Cái này là cái dòng tiếp theo.
Rồi em hiểu rồi.
Bây giờ mình sẽ điền cái số tài
Em
khoản
thấy
tiếp
cái mình
theo.
bấm tab next item mình sẽ
Cái chọn số này.
khi cái
Bây
next
giờ
item
số tiền với lại con center
sẽ
cái
cho
dòng
cái
gì?
GL. Cái này là số tiền.
Đúng rồi.
Em đặt. Zero là một bát số.
Nó đang bị lạc rồi.
Dạ. Cái này có thêm led ta nhập vô được không? Từ thăm led. Có thăm led. Thử. Dạ. Thử không? Nhưng mà nó nhập theo hiện graph hay là nó nhập SL cái nhập vô cái dạ nhưng mà nó chạy cái ngày xưa mình hiểu cậu tập, nhưng mà hồi em làm EA làm bill còn cái này câu là chị phải dùng gạch tay.
Cái này nó có center.
Ví dụ chị nhập một phần hạnh nó là gần đây thôi, đúng rồi. Cái bây giờ không em nó có bài gì đấy.
Cái này đúng không anh?
Để
Cho riêng cái phim thôi.
chị đã nó làm này hả? Chị bao nhiêu cái ngọn núi á, ở ngọn núi á.
Okay.
SAP không á.
Kiên nhẫn.
Kiên nhẫn cực kỳ luôn.
The next, oh, okay, bank charge. PPF payable.
Đó, SAP. Nó bị lắc.
Sheila,
Yes.
when you do SAP in Singapore, does your laptop postponing to React?
I'm sorry if my laptop.
I mean, like the laptop doesn't react immediately, but like it somehow
Ah,
lag.
yes, because this is remote access. So I think that's the
you-
reason why sometimes there's a lag.
You do have that too.
Find that Sila, when I was doing the bookkeeping, I find that in the morning is faster, But
Oh,
then
yes.
if you do it in the afternoon, especially at 3, 4 p.m.
50
when
đúng
you
không mọi
start
người?
working, it's slower.
Yes.
Do you have experience also? That's why when I do SAP bookkeeping, I try to do it in the morning.
In the morning. Yes, because Germany is using in the afternoon. Maybe there are so many who's trying to access.
So actually now is good.
The best time, yes.
Already.
Yes, it's already good.
Không có code.
Không có code.
This slide doesn't have the center cost center, right?
No,
Sheila?
it's a liability account.
The liability. So
Yes, it's not a P&L item.
no profit center too.
No. Profit center, cost centers, WBS elements are only applicable for profit and loss items, revenue expense accounts. Bank charge, it's a WBS element.
Okay.
ABS. Cái gì chị? Em bảo xem. Có cái
No
Oh,
tax
yes.
code.
Tax code, there is. Tax code is P2 for bank charge.
No tax, right? We could.
Yes, I think it will not accept if we don't input the tax code P2.
P2.
purchase.
Then no cost center. Cost center is only applicable for personnel costs. So bank charge, you use the WBS element.
Okay.
Nghe quen quen chị nào. Đi chứ biết. Dạng như vậy. Đó, em có cái khăn cái này. Dán cho WPS.
No profit center.
Tới đây luôn đúng không chị nào?
Test check salary or just salary, the test.
Copy cái dòng này đưa vô.
Yeah, I think bank charges is better, right? Sheila, for the tax.
Yes. Yeah, it's okay also.
Just for September 23 payroll.
So
Bank charge.
start with bank charge.
Bank
Yes,
charge.
can change.
Okay.
The test.
Or bank charge.
You have to delete it first, because otherwise there's no space.
Limit blank.
No more
Wait,
space.
No space.
It's two words. Two words. Bank charge for September 23 payroll.
Payroll.
Is that okay, Sheila?
Yes, okay.
But September 23, maybe put September space 23.
Okay.
September space 2023. All right.
Then you need to change the value date to September 14. 14. 14.
1409.
Skip assignment. Is it right, Sheila?
Yes,
Okay.
that's correct. And
You can simulate, right?
Another line, last line. There's two lines of
cái kêu FB không anh
value date. And you can backspace. For your text, you can click backspace to copy the previous text on bank charge.
Delete everything first. Delete the text first.
Làm lại.
And backspace. Yes. The second line. Yes, that one. Okay. The next entry is to debit the payable to employee, right?
Is it 25, right?
Yes, correct. So your post key is 25. And then your account will be the vendor code, the employee code, which you can find in the payments summary.
This
Okay. Yeah, no, not that one. You go to the payment summary, you open that payment summary file, the Excel file. Okay, that one. Okay, then in column B, you can see there the vendor account code, SAP vendor account code. So you post first the payment of the expense. Oh, can you go back to the first one?
This one?
No, the payment summary, and then go to the first line. There's row 4 and then the next row, row
Okay.
5.
This one.
Yes. Okay, go to B5. Yes, that's the vendor code for Jan Weiser. Okay, and then enter. Press enter. You can see the vendor code there, 2003143, and then the name. You all have always make sure that it is posted to the correct employee code.
Ah.
Okay, then the amount. Payment summary. Go back to the payment summary. How much is the expense claim of Jan Weiser? It's in column E, 5072.64. And then you also notice that in the right portion, the GL account is 17800. So once this is posted to this employee code 2003143, it will be debited to GL account 17800, which is payable to employees. Okay.
Ah, I see.
Then the text you can copy from the payroll file. Payroll file, payment of expense claims for August. Okay, then next line item, post key 25 again, and then the next employee. Lim
line 8.
Lim Shang Ching Alan, 203,173.
Do for each employee?
Yes, yes, for each employee.
You cannot post directly to 170.
Then after, then
Yeah,
there's a
for each code.
for each code, yes.
This code is the vendor code. The vendor code. Each employee is considered as a vendor in SAP.
Yes.
So 2003173 is the vendor code for this employee.
But the payroll is pay as lump sum, but like for the expense claim is particular.
And press enter. It will ask for the
Connect.
line date. Yes, yes, that's correct.
You have to start all over again.
Then just press enter. Enter.
Early morning.
I'll always do it.
Okay. So you check again the vendor code. It's Alan Lim.
Whoever does this
Ở đây hả?
start.
Dạ.
Yes, don't ever make a mistake in posting to a different employee because we have to clear the vendor code after this.
Okay. Cái dòng mà có claim, cái dòng có claim. Số 66 á.
6640.
Yes.
Text backspace. 25.
Số 9.
Okay.
Backside. Familiar with the SAP more than Thảo. She does she did SAP for previous companies.
Yes, I remember. Yeah, because,
And because like the next SAP is going to be a
yes. I'm going to change now because she's really,
Maybe for new client.
we're going to have another SAP account. Yeah.
But I'm already
Okay, very good. Yes, I remember. I talked to you. So now it's all coming back, eh? Yeah. How long did you do the bookkeeping in SAP? Many years, right?
I'm very new because when I come with SAP, I'm very testing because.
Okay. So about 1 year experience.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because SAP taught and how can this work?
You're still better than them, eh? They started from zero.
Right, exactly.
Okay, let's look at the next one.
SAP they told us, I think the SAP you can use for the big companies. Yeah, because sales, marketing, logistics can enjoy the same system. verify the report.
It's integrated, you know,
Yeah.
manufacturing, logistics, sales, CO also there.
Yeah. Như là nhập AP, AI nhập AI, nó sẽ đi xem test. Một cái sẽ có một người làm đúng rồi đó.
This to make the credit
Nó sẽ bị với lại
from what you see from
Yes, I will work on this, yes. With
sẽ nhập
the transaction.
That's
đúng rồi.
very important.
Trên vừa AI
That step is more.
Should be able to write some macros and then you create a business.
Oh, this one is a negative amount. Negative, so means it's a credit. So your post key
Wow.
is different. 4940, what is that? 4940? Yes,
So this one is a recovery, of the
yes, a recovery.
recovery. So you go back to the posting key,
Yes,
right? Okay, the posting key, there, posting key, yes. Okay, delete it. You click on the magnifying glass.
magnify.
Okay,
Then let's choose.
that's okay. Now,
Is it
previously we were using, scroll down. So, okay, we're using 25. Yeah?
Right.
So it's debit outgoing payment. So this one should be considered as vendor incoming payment. Yeah, so it should be
credit? Yes,
credit, yeah.
yes.
So you go down 35. Can you see that 35?
35.
See vendor credit. Understand?
Yes.
You understand the logic now? So choose
Vendor
35.
credit.
35, yeah. Double click. Okay. So now this is a credit entry. And you enter positive number. Don't copy that.
Positive.
Enter a positive number. Yes.
This is not like I simply put a minus.
Yeah.
You can put for your tax recovery of personal call
You put
charge.
in the text. I put bracket recovery. Recovery instead of payment, recovery of expense. Right? I think
Yes.
that's recovery. Okay.
Điều này em làm macro được không? Điều này em làm macro được đúng không? Cái phần Excel mà từ cái bạn cái này cũng cấp
đây cái upload này đúng không?
không phải là nó Excel làm Excel
Sẽ để làm gì?
cái payroll draw của khách hàng rồi mình cần làm ra cái bản để mình về lại credit là làm á.
Ủa thế đó chị xử lý Và như mình thấy sẽ anh dán cho cái khung trên nó sẽ xuống
Có
nó
sự
hồi.
đỡ. 222 cũng được.
That's the last one, right?
Ở dưới nó summary.
Okay, so
Yes. Then you can simulate.
simulate.
Balance. There's 16 difference. SDL, I think you posted twice.
Go back to the gathered one, okay? No,
No, the SDL, the payroll file.
look at the SDL.
Maybe.
16.
Oh, it's CPF for intern. I think you posted this twice.
Okay, go back and check.
Can you please press enter?
Press enter.
Press enter.
Press enter.
Yes, you see the 15 and 16.
So you have to delete that.
Okay, you go to the second line, the second one. You double click on that
Double click.
and then change to 0.
Yeah. Delete everything 0. I also
You can put 0.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then press enter.
So one more time.
Enter again.
Okay. Did you see the line amount will be deleted? Yeah. Right.
Yes.
Oh, it will be deleted. Now you see,
That line will be deleted when posted.
you just set the value to 0. Then press. Simulate again.
Okay.
Press enter. Okay, double click the blue one. If it is blue, you have to do something about it.
No, it's okay now.
It's
Debit
okay?
and credit are equal.
0.
So you have there 0. So it's okay, you can post it.
Now I can post.
Shall we?
Yes.
Yes.
653.
Giờ từ lúc của mình đừng có
Okay,
remember
can
that.
you look at the double entry again? You know, to view the document is what? FB03,
3.
right?
FB03, yes.
Okay, go to that. No. One thing is, don't be so fast. Okay, I didn't want. Okay, click there. The command 9, the command the top left. Yeah. Yeah, that no. Then enter the text field, the input field, the input field. The input field, the input field, the input field at the top. Yeah. Okay, slash.
Bash thì đâu cái
Slash. Backslash. O. FB 03.
không ba.
Press enter. Now this is what you enter.
Can you please copy the document number and paste it to the payroll file?
Yeah. Document number copy.
Yeah.
Then there's another step after this.
Okay then.
Okay. Then the next step is to clear the employee vendor code.
Clear vendor code.
Yes. F-44.
44. F-44.
But I want you to see first the vendor ledger. Open the FBL1N transaction code. Okay, F-44.
Slash N.
Okay,
Slash
N.
Slash N.
E đó chị. Xóa cái đó.
Slash N.
N. Slash N.
FBL 1N.
There is no dash after N. Okay, there is no dash after N, so it's slash N FBL1N. Now you can put FBL1N. FBL1N. Okay, that's a vendor line item. Could you please input the first vendor employee code? Jan Weiser, the first one. Yes, that one, 200-3143. Then execute. Okay, there you can see the expense claim and the payment. It's not knocked off. So the debit and the credit are just floating there. It's not knocked off. So what we do now is to clear the vendor account so that the payment will be knocked off against the expense claim. So we go to F-44 to clear the vendor account.
Okay, go there. You don't /O. We keep this window. /O.
Yes.
What did you do? What did you do? Okay.
There.
So
Slash.
Oh.
F dash 44.
Enter.
Okay. Do you know the difference between O and N? Remember we taught you?
Oh, open.
Open. So the other window is still there. We open a new window. Okay? If you /N, you're replacing existing window with a new window. Sometimes you don't want to close the existing window, and you don't want to close that one because I want to show you what happens, after we do the clearing. Okay? So now you enter the vendor code, yeah?
Okay, then the clearing date is the date when you paid the expense claim, which is 14/09/2022. Clearing date. Next.
Change clearing date. Change the clearing date to 14. The clearing date.
Clearing date 14/04.
1/4. Enter.
Press enter. Press enter.
Okay. There. Okay, the amounts are in blue, so means you are deselecting the lines.
Why?
Can you please
Deselect it.
select again?
When did you deselect?
Select. Double click.
Just did like a start from the left and start from the right.
Okay, do that again.
Actually, the system already selected it for you. Then not assigned amount there is 0, so it's okay. Now you can post it. You can clear it. Post.
Okay, leave this window. Now go back to the other window. Okay, you do a refresh here.
Refresh.
Remind me, Sheila, how do you do a refresh?
I just click on the green arrow. That green arrow
Press the green
after
arrow.
the save icon. That's
This one?
Yes.
Top left.
Yeah, that's correct. The one
Okay.
after the save icon. Oh yeah, okay, can do that also.
There's a refresh.
Can?
I remember the refresh somewhere.
Yeah.
There's no shortcut to the refresh. Okay. You okay? You see it's blank.
Mm.
You know why it's blank, right? Because we cleared it. So there's nothing to show. Understand? Okay. Just press enter. Okay, now we can move on to the next vendor.
Not F5. Not F5.
No,
F-44.
F-44.
Click.
I mean,
Okay,
like
now it's
a,
Alan Lim, yeah?
Press not F5.
I mean, like a refreshing. We usually for other like our internet
Ah.
browsing, we use F5.
Okay, go back to the other screen. Yeah. So enter the vendor. Change the clearing date to 14. Press enter. Don't do anything.
It's okay.
It's great. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine, yeah? So I think we can pause, right?
Yes.
Pause.
What's wrong if it is not 5? I mean, like those equal, does not equal. he is not.
Oh, then we have to fix that. It has to be equal before it can be cleared.
Yeah. Sometimes there is one expense claim already posted which is not paid.
Yeah, it is sometimes you don't clear the whole amount, so there's a balance. Yeah, that's possible also. So the clearing is a bit different than this. Okay, we will show it to you later on. If there is one something like that. Okay, press. We can move on to the next one.
Actually, you don't have to open it.
Yeah, you don't have to. This was a demonstration only, you know. Okay, now what we do, we just go between the spreadsheet. Yeah. Okay, just follow. Let's copy the 2003. Somebody want to take over?
Anh đừng có cười.
No need to do this. Just go to the clearing. Not this one.
cái
The F dash 44 space.
Flash.
You already opened it. It's already there. The other one.
Cái này nè.
This one.
Click vô đây nè để chọn cái màn hình, không phải là màn hình đó.
And this is the problem also. You open too many windows. Huh? Press enter. Okay, look okay.
Là chữ khoa.
Okay, and post.
Post.
Okay. Go to the spreadsheet, copy the vendor number, and go back to it. This one, clear vendor.
Bấm gì anh?
Change the clearing date.
Ủa sao được?
Enter.
Ủa?
What did you do? In the backspace?
back click một cái bữa tên cho
I think she
click
I haven't tried this.
no the yellow one. The yellow. Yeah, yes. Okay. Actually, you have another clearing window already open. Close this. Just close this. Too many.
Close, okay.
Okay. No, not
Close this one.
also. Okay, that's
This one.
Okay.
Bây giờ calculation gì?
Press enter. Looks okay, right? Non-zero.
Yes, post.
Go back to the spreadsheet and just carry on doing for the rest.
Phải cái này không chị Đạo? Sao hai cái giống nhau quá, phải không? Cái này không?
này cái không đúng rồi.
Có nghĩa là chưa đi. có khách hàng mới là chị Hồng Cân đi.
Chị Hồng có kinh nghiệm rồi.
Đúng, chị Hồng có kinh nghiệm rồi. Chị Hồng ăn cho hết. Đó, đúng, chính xác, tuyệt vời. Rồi này thì ngồi nói dữ vậy. Ghê quá không? Đó đó chị. Em sợ. Wow. Cái này là giống như trả lương vậy chị. Cái gì vậy chị Thảo?
Riêng có mấy expense của em đó.
Nó là cái function nào trên zero vậy?
Trên zero chỉ cần click bằng OK.
À là nó đó hả?
Còn đây nó không tự động clear một lần. Giống như đi bộ.
Nó không có cách nào làm nhanh hơn hả ta?
Về thôi.
Không biết tại sao có nước về gì không?
Nó hệ thống nó gì? Cực bắp.
Của cái SMP này nó sẽ làm một
Những quốc gia khác đâu có được lệ đâu.
Có. Hồi nãy chị Thảo,
có đều có free.
hồi nãy chị Thảo mới nói em nói là cái băng á, anh bấm OK cái nó clear trên zero.
Anh phải clear hết mọi thứ.
Nếu mà chuyện gì sẽ xảy ra nếu không clear anh?
Thì nó tồn
Hai công
luôn.
nào của em còn.
Nó show trên AIPS nó vẫn còn. Nó không học sao. Nó không.
Nhưng mà Thảo thì làm nó đâu có.
Cái nhận tiền vô băng.
Thế còn account payable của tất cả tiền.
Hình như có mà.
Em nhớ mẹ nó có chạy ra thấy được luôn á. Xong nhớ làm trái làm phải.
Hết rồi.
Xong mà.
Hết rồi. Hết rồi.
Tôi xuất AIPS nhưng chưa coi được.
We finished clearing, Sheila.
Đi uống nước.
12 giờ trưa bên đó rồi. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock in Singapore now.
It's 12 o'clock. Sheila, are you there?
Yes, you are done with the salary
Yes.
posting.
Clearing, yeah?
So these are the two steps. Record the salary and then clear the vendor accounts. Then, do you want to know how to copy an entry so that you don't have to encode everything from scratch?
Sure.
Okay.
Definitely.
Okay, you go to the
And
so
Sheila,
that
sorry,
yes.
can I interrupt you? Remind me, this F-02, is it possible to save it as a draft?
As a draft.
I can't remember.
Can you please open
But that-
F-02? Is it possible to park the document?
No, huh?
Is there an icon or a button where we can park the documents?
Sure. But that's,
F-02.
just show them how to copy the F-02.
Okay.
So can you stop sharing? Sheila wants to share.
Okay.
Anh chưa stop share.
Em về chỗ được chưa?
Không ngồi đó đi.
Hey Sheila, I forwarded you the Fall Harbor. Yeah? The password is going to expire, you know.
Yes, I already set up the new password.
Oh, because here it is expire in 3 days.
Oh, let me show again. Open it, but later. Okay, to copy an entry, the first thing you need to do is to open the entry that you want to copy. So for example, the payroll posting for September. The document number is 1 4 zeros, right? And 3653, correct? Okay. So this is the entry that we want to copy. Then open F-02. So first is in FB03, open the entry you want to copy, leave it open, then open F-02. So that's slash open O F-02. Then you go to click post with reference. This is the document number that you want to copy, 3653. Click to recalculate local currency amounts. But if you want to copy an entry, if you want to copy a reversing, if you want to reverse the entry which you want to copy, then you click this one, generate reverse posting. But if you want to copy the exact entry, you click recalculate local currency amounts. Then press enter. This is now the entry that you are copying. So just edit the date, the reference, edit the amount, the text, you double click and edit. And when you're done, you can post already.
So for the payroll entry of October, we just simply go to the September one
posting
and
with reference.
modify the number.
Yes, correct. For example, you are posting the payment of an expense claim. For example, Jan Weiser, there is no more payment for, there is no expense claim for Jan Weiser for October. So just change this to 0 so that this line will be deleted, just like what you did before when there was a mistake.
And if you want to add another one, then you have to use the code.
Yeah, then you have to add here. You want to add. So it's very easy to just copy.
Okay.
Okay. So we're done with the payroll. Are you going to take over from October? Ken?
Yeah, we do one.
Ken already take over.
Yeah.
You can try.
Yeah, because the payroll, we have time, right? They give us the payroll data quite early, isn't it?
Yes, middle of the month.
Middle of the month, so we have like 2 weeks to do it, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so I think we should take over, and if we have any problems, we can always check with Sheila, and it's not so urgent. Yeah?
We have time.
We have time, we have time. It's not something that you have to do in the morning, finish before lunchtime, you know?
Yes. We do want to take care. This
Okay.
payroll.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you.
payroll.
Thank you, Sheila.
Okay, so let's continue in the afternoon.
Okay.
Okay.
It's your lunch time, right?
Yes. What time shall we come back?
1:30.
1:30, eh? 1:30, that means 2:30 at Singapore time.
2:30.
2:30, okay.
2:30 Singapore time, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
It shouldn't take much time, maybe around 2 hours at most.
All right.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Sheila, see you in the afternoon.
See you.
Oh, did you have problems? Sometimes you have problems with the payroll, you can ask